Hi friends, today we are making slushies. I'm Chef Bingo. Let's get this slushies started. We have some cool stickers to decorate our slushie machine. We got some toppings to put on our slushies. Can't wait to make my slushie. Let's build the slushie machine. Let's decorate our slushie machine with some cool stickers. This will be our mix-in station for our slushie toppings. Let's put our Slushy slime station together. It's looking great! Let's add our slushy sign. Perfect! Let's get our straws out. Let's open and add all of our mix-in toppings. Our slushy slime station looks great. Let's add our slime powder. Let's add some slime powder to our cups. I want a blue slushie. Let's add some blue slime. water. Mix it all together. Look, we have blue slushie ready for Bluey. Let's add a straw. I'm so excited to try my slushie. It's delicious. Chef Bingo's turn. Can I have a yellow slushie? Now, let's add some water. Mix it all together. Yellow slushie ready for Bingo. It tastes amazing. Now Coco wants to have a turn. I want a red slushie. I want to add lots of different toppings to my slushie. It looks delicious. Let me try it. Yummy, it is delicious. Muffin's turn. I want a slushie with all the colors. Look, my slushie turned black. I want all the toppings on my slushie. It looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. Yummy, it is super delicious. Come on, guys, let's take a picture with our slushies.
I'm coming.
Wait for me, I am coming.
Does slushies look delicious? Can I try them? They were so good! Oh no, I think I have a brain freeze. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay happy playtime, friends.